Hi, I'm Chet with Chet's Adventures Beyond. Enjoy! For checking in bags at your airline's ticket counter, just as a reminder, for the size limits, make sure you test the size at their little size kiosks that they usually have, the little things that have the dimensions on them. Also, weighing out your bags. For carry-on bags, it's usually 25 to 30 pounds, and it still has to fit within the dimensions. Also, for checking in bags, make sure that they are under 50 pounds. Some airlines will give some exception, a little more, a little less, but there probably will be a extra fee for anything that is over 50 pounds. If it's going to be over 100 pounds, it's probably going to have to go through cargo depending on your airline. So be prepared for baggage fees and the size of your bags and what is in it. For checked in bags, just as a reminder, if you do have spare lithium ion batteries, hazardous materials, any kind of prohibited items, e-cigarettes, matches, lighters, those are not allowed to be in your checked baggage. So be ready for that. Make sure that's on you, your backpack going on or a purse going on, depending on what the items are. And you can always go to your airline's website or call them up and ask them what is acceptable, plus asking TSA, and they can let you know too, because they're also the second screeners for your bags. For those of you who are needing to get luggage for flying, just want to give a shout out there to pretty much like Walmart's, Targets, the pretty much the big retail stores that have luggage that are not too high priced. And high priced, I'm saying between like $20 to $40 for a bag that'll be decent to take on. I would go for about those price bags because of the fact that your airline is going to do their best to make it good with your bag, but there's no guarantee that your bag is not going to get back to you in one piece. Airlines do their best, but it doesn't always happen. For traveling with luggage, just want to let you know I would not buy expensive luggage, even if it does say it is breakable proof. I wouldn't recommend buying that because things can happen. An aircraft could run over your bag. Not that it should, but if something does happen at the airport or a bag cart runs it over, there's no guarantee it's going to stay in one piece. I know I personally have accidentally broken open bags and dragged stuff all over. So it does happen, especially with heavy flights or bags that are just awkward shape. Things do happen. They do fall off of bag carts, and it's just not a pleasant thing to have to deal with, but it does happen. So I would recommend buying small, buying cheaper, and that is just the best recommendation I can give you. I hate to do this part of the video, but for baggage, things do happen with your bags while traveling. They can break open, they can get run over, they can fall off of a carousel or off of a bag cart, and wherever that might be, whether it's around the terminals, on a taxiway, just in the baggage makeup area, or at the baggage carousel. Bags do break, get damaged, all that, so I would recommend cheaper bags the better, and it's just easier in my opinion, and that stuff does happen, so sorry. If you've just arrived at your airport off your plane and you're going to your baggage carousel to grab your bag, depending on the airport, some of them will have a baggage service agent, BSO, at their baggage service office, and you can always go over there and talk to them. If there's not somebody there, like some of the small airports, they'll probably be bringing your bags to the carousel and offloading them, and once they're done offloading, give them a few minutes to get to their baggage service office to assist you if you have an issue. I've noticed that a lot lately, so heads up. When getting your bags, if you don't have your bags at the airline carousel for your baggage, it was probably either due to weather or your flight connection time, and hopefully it wasn't due to somebody's other mistake. It does happen, these things do happen, but see your BSO, baggage service office agent for your airline, and find out where your bag is. They will do their best to locate it and get it to you as soon as they possibly can, so have patience with them. They will do their best. If you folks have any comments or concerns, anything like that, on any of the material I've covered, please comment in the comment section below, and I will do my best to get back to you on what I know, or look it up to give you better sources of information for where you might be going or what you might be doing. Thanks. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, more content to come. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe and ring the notification bell for more up-to-date content. Thank you. Stay safe out there, folks, and as always, have fun and enjoy wherever your adventures may take you.